Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today topic is Korean counting system. We had studied in earlier chapter about native Korean counting system. As you know, Korean has two type of Korean counting system. First is native Korean counting system, second is Sino Korean counting system. Native basically use when we talk about age, hour and counting type, and Sino will be used for minutes when we have to mention minutes time, like it's 6:15, so 15 minutes is that particular Sino Korean. Okay, and next date, what date is today, and third is price, how much is that product, something. And when we talk about phone number, for example, your colleague asks for your phone number, so you have to revert the same in Sino Korean counting system criteria. We had already studied about native Korean counting system, right? So we will study now Sino Korean counting system, which basically use in minute, date, price and phone number. So let's start with Sino Korean counting system. So Sino Korean counting system, 0, that is gong. You have already studied in the native Korean counting system as well, that 0 is gong. It will be the same in Sino Korean counting system as well. So 0 is gong. 1 il, 2 e, 3 sam, 4 sa, 5 o, 6 yuk, 7 chill, 8 pal, 9 gu, 10 ship, 11 shipil, which comes from 10 ship plus 1 il. So it becomes ship il, which is 11 in Korean. So repeat after me. Gong, il, e, sam, sa, o, yuk, chil, pal, gu, ship, shipil. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 19 will be the same shipil, shippy, shipsa, shipo, something. So we will skip 11 to 19, 12 to 19, and next we study what is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 in Sino Korean counting system. Excuse me, sorry. So 20 is e ship, e is 2, which you have studied just earlier, and ship is 10. So 20 e ship, 30 sam ship, 40 sa ship, 50 o ship, 60 yuk ship, 70 chill ship. So repeat after me. 20 e ship, 30 sam ship, 40 sa ship, 50 o ship, 60 yuk ship, 70 chill ship. Again repeat after me. E ship, sam ship, sa ship, o ship, yuk ship, chill ship. So this is all from 20 to 70. Next we will study 80, how to say in Sino Korean counting system. 80, 90, 100, 100, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, 2,000 and 10,000. Sorry. So 80, pal ship. Pal comes from 8, ship is 10. So 80 is pal ship. Gu ship, 90. Bek, 100, which also the same like native Korean counting system you had studied before. Bek il, 101. Bek is 100, il is 1. Bek il, 200, e bek, 200, e 2 bek 100. So it become 200 e bek. 1000 is chun, which is also in the same in native Korean counting system. 2000 e chun. Like we had studied 200, so ibek 2000 ichon, 10,000 man, same as native Korean counting system man. Got it? So repeat after me. Pal ship, gu ship, bek, bek il, ibek, chen, chen, man. Make sure you make the notes so that it will be easy for you. In case you forget something, you can look into it and can memorize easily. So next, let's study. Let's review with minute. I had told you that Sino Korean counting system basically used when we talk about minute. For example, A asks from B, what time is it now? What time is it now? And B answer, it's 6:30. It's 6:30 o'clock. R means she, that we had already studied in earlier lesson. When we talk about a particular time, then in that case R is she. And minute, bun. Minute, bun. So for example, you have to you get the response like Yoshatsi Shamshib bun. It means what time is it now? Yosat belongs from 6 native Korean counting system. Yosat, she, R. Yani it means 6 hour. And also Samship means Samship, 3 plus 10, 30, Samship, 30 Samship, and minute is bun. So what time is it now? Yosochi Samship bun. What time is it now? Yosochi Samship bun. Got my point? So this is all about minutes. Next we will study about date. For example, someone asking for date. For example, A asked for date and B revert. It's 3rd day of February 2022. 3rd day of February. Before forwarding the same, I would like to inform you that month is dal. When we talk about number of month, for example, how long you are going to stay in Korea? 3 months. Samdal. Sam is 3, dal is month. How long you are going to stay in Korea? Samdal. 3 months. And when we talk about a particular month, for example, what is your birthday month, and when did you get that job, in something like that. So in that case, when we talk about a particular 1 month, for example January, February, March, in that case month is wol. Got my point? You must have to know the difference between dal and wol. Please make sure to make a good note so that you can compare the both when the situation comes forward to you. Next, day. Day means ill. When we talk about particular day, not a whole day, not a days in month, days in week. We are going to study about a particular day. For example, you can see asking for date. Someone is asking for date. So today is 3rd day of February 2022. 3rd day. Here we had a 3rd day answer. 3rd day. So in that case, day is ill. So let's study 3rd day of February 2022 in Korean. Samil Evol 2022. 2022 we will study in next chapter. So I had skipped that part, and we will study here the only 3rd day of February. So as someone is asking for date, what date is it today? And you have to like revert 3rd day of February. So Sham-i evol. Sham-i evol. Excuse me, sorry. 3rd day means Sam-il. Sam is Third, 3. Il means day. Evil, February. I'll next update you about all the month January, February. Just remember that thing and we will study later. So, third day of February means some ill evil. Some ill evil. Some ill evil. So, that is all about date. Next, we will study about price. So, let's review. For example, A asked for how much is for tissue and B revert 700 won. You must know that Korean has its own currency, that is Korean won, and you are in a convenience store and you have to purchase tissues and you are going to ask about how much is for tissue, and here he will revert like 700 won. So what will be the situation? Let's study. Korean currency is won, and for your information that 1 rupees is 16 won. 1 Indian rupees INR is equal to 16 Korean won. Got it? And next, for example, how much is for tissue? Hwajangji olmaeo. You had already studied in earlier chapters that tissue is Hwajangji, and how much means olmaeo. So how much is for tissue? You have to put that sentence Hwajangji olmaeo. And for example, B revert chilbek won. It means 700 won. Chil 7 bek 100. So how many hundreds? 700. Chil bek won. Got my point? Let's study. Hwajangji olmaeo chilbek won. In that case, we had put Sino Korean counting system. Chil belongs from Sino Korean counting system. Got my point? So that is all about price criteria. Next, phone number. For example, A, or if A or somebody, your colleague, asks for phone number and your phone number is 9263112478. So in that case, in Korean, how you have to revert? You have to revert as gu I yuk sam il I sa chil pal. So let's study in detail. 9 is gu in native Korean counting system. You can see from your notes. 2 is I. 6 yuk. 3 sam. 1 il. 1 il. 2 I. 4 sa. 7 chil. 8 pal. So what is your phone number? Gu I yuk sam il I sa chil pal. What is your phone number? Gu I yuk sam il I sa chil pal. You can see after fourth number, like there are double one. How to see double one in Korean? I didn't put that word to you, so you might not be confused. So for better understanding and for easy learning, I had put il, so that you can memorize it easily. So what is your phone number? Gu I yuk sam il I sa chil pal. Got my point? So repeat after me. What is your phone number? Gu I yuk sam il I sa chil pal. Got it? So here are all the Sino Korean criteria about phone number. So now we had finished our counting system, Korean counting system, native and Korean as well. So native we had studied in earlier chapter, and right now we had completed Sino Korean counting system as well. That is basically used in minutes when we talk about minute, date, price and phone number. So thank you so much for watching, and your next target is create a situation and put Sino and Korean both counting system in a single sentence. Make sure to try and speak loudly so that it will be like to get your point and you can memorize it easily. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and make sure to please not forget to subscribe. Howie is also pointing to subscribe my channel, so please, thank you so much. Bye.